Hello, this is Ian Stevenson, and we're standing aboard the Cruisers Yachts 50 Cantius Express. This beautiful motor yacht has so much to offer for a long weekender or even further excursions on the water. So we'll take a look through the boat and show you some of its key features. The first thing you'll notice is this massive swim platform, fully submersible with swim steps, and a full summer kitchen right on the back of the boat for grilling at the sandbar. Plenty of storage down below, and then an easy pass-through walkway on either side of the transom. We take a step to the aft cockpit area, wrap-around seating here, table can go down to create a full sunbed, and beautiful shade by the push of a button all the way to the back of the boat. Absolutely fantastic. I'd be remiss, however, if I didn't point out the bar right here after the salon. Pass through, beautiful hangout area. This is perfect for an on-water day yacht and sandbar boat, but also great just for hanging out at the slip. In the main salon, you have aft galley, seamless pass-through from the aft cockpit into the salon. Great layout here by Cruisers Yachts, and what a view. Just great layout here with the bench seats. The forward salon, just aside from the captain's companion helm chair. This table will also go down for a filler if you'd like, or just the leaves open up for a nice wraparound area and eating. Right here at the helm display, dual helm screens. You see Captain Fred here at the helm commanding this boat very easily. You also have the Volva Penta IPS joystick drive on this boat. Very simple to operate this vessel. Everything is at a hand's touch, and single owner operator can easily throw a line right to the dockhand. Let's take a look down in the cabin. So this is a 3-stateroom boat. You do have the bunk bed stackable here with storage. Main panel is aft. And then I'll close this door, and we do have a shared head for the VIP. But what's important to note is that it is a separated shower and a dry head. Quite large for this size of boat. We open the door here, the forward VIP, and then plenty of natural lighting that Cruisers does on this boat. Everything is made in-house, from the woodworking, the veneer, a lot of the metallurgy made in Wisconsin by Cruisers. They just do a fantastic job. Hanging closets on the one side here for the overnighters and the guests, and then plenty of storage down below. What most boaters will love about this day yacht and overnighting yacht is the massive full beam master berth. I can easily stand up here. I got plenty of headroom. There's a great chaise lounge over to the port side of the vessel for lounging and reading a book in the morning. Great hull side windows on both sides of the boat. You're waking up right on the water. Let's take a look back upstairs. Oh, almost forgot. The master head. So the owner of the vessel will have their own space. Shut this door so any guest can't get into use their head and berth. Total customization of airflow. You have the hull side windows in the salon, and then open this up, or you can enclose it for the AC. We'll take a step to the bow. As I walk to the bow, great placement of the handrails. It's not too high, very easy to make my way along the gunnel. Look how wide this gunnel is. I can easily walk foot over foot all the way to the front of the boat. Some people say the 50 Cantius is not a day boat, but look at this day boat operation. Filler cushions here, great chaise loungers, can easily fit 5 people up here on the front of the boat, just for a perfect day on the water. This is Ian Stevenson. This has been the video walkthrough of the 50 Cantius, and for more information, contact us at MarineMax.com.